2024 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 22,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.